Through a common friend. ನನ್ನ ಸಿಸ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಹಸ್ಬೆಂಡ್ ಮಂಜುನಾಥ್ ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಪರಿಚಯ ಆಯಿತು, ಅವ್ರ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ ಯಾರೋ ಹೇಳಿ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದೆನ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಔಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಬ್ಲೂ ನಾನು ನನ್ನ ತಂಗಿ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ನನ್ನ ತಂಗಿ ಗಂಡ 3 ಜನ ವಿ ವೆಂಟ್ ಟು ಮೀಟ್ ಹಿಮ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದಿ ಫನ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಇಸ್ we went to meet him to build my sister's house. Yeah.
Overall experience.
See, this house was built almost 8.5 years back. Even now, if we are sitting and chatting like this, it says it all. He's not my architect, he's my friend, he's my soulmate, and this is my dream house. ಈ ಒಂದು ಕನಸಿನ ಮನೆ ಅವ್ರು ಕಟ್ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂದರೆ his ideas, everything is very close to my heart.
Same question, please. How was it working with her?
It was actually very fun. The first time when we met at the office, there was a star feeling. And the whole drama of the theatricals of explaining the brief was all fun. But I think she was very clear that the brief was that her identity comes from a serial which is called Modalamane, and Modalamane is actually based on a courtyard house. And she was very clear that I want a courtyard house, I want a Pratima. And I said, fine, how many acres do you have? She said, 60-40. Very nice. So, but she wanted the grandeur of it. So we said, let's put the courtyard not in the center but to the side so that we get a large. So I think she was very accommodative of that. And it was a very interesting thing because at the end of the day, an architect's job is to highlight a client's dream and take it to another level, much higher than what they're doing. So it was very interesting to work with her and ideate and come on. She was very reciprocative of ideas. And we just went berserk and said, let's do something different. We were more than happy to do it. So we have had a wonderful time.